Well, good afternoon. It is the last day of the month. The market just closed here on the 31st of October, and as we look at the markets, I would describe it as a good day for the stock market and a so-so day for agriculture, sort of mixed. The cotton market didn't seem to be able to make its mind up today. Actually, in the last 2 minutes of the day, it rallied 40 points from where it was, still closing down a small amount, but just a lot of volatility and very spotty volume as far as that market goes. Grains were sort of mixed. Beans were up and corn and wheat were down. Just a heads up, tomorrow will be exports. Now, exports that come out on, as it always does on Thursday, normally can affect the market. I think this is going to really affect the market. If we start seeing some pretty good export numbers for grains at these low levels, it could really be supportive for those markets. I mean, you're over 70% complete on harvest now in soybeans. Typically, when you get that far along, the downward hedge pressure starts to subside, so that turns out to be supportive. We're going to look closely at that tomorrow. Soybeans are the bell cow here for corn and wheat, so hopefully we'll see some good numbers tomorrow. As far as cotton goes, we've seen probably 5 weeks of cancellations from China. It would be nice to have 1 week where we don't see that, and hopefully we can look at that tomorrow and see that we don't see the cancellations, which would be very supportive. Look at the December cotton down 2 at 76.82, a high of 77.04, a low of 76.49. January soybeans up 4.5 at 851.5 with a high of 855, a low of 844.5. December corn down 1.25 at 363.5, a high of 365.25, a low of 362.5. Wheat was down 1. That put December wheat at 498.75 with a high of $5.25 and a low of 490. Crude oil was down 42 cents a barrel, the dollar up 11. Gold and silver were down. Gold was down $10 an ounce, silver down 19 cents an ounce. And here was the market I circled because of the movement we see. Big movement up in the stock market. The Dow Jones right now, still with some time to go, is trading up 442 points. Big day. Hopefully we can hold that. We saw some pretty good corporate earnings and some rumor of more coming. So it would be nice to get some support from that. That's it. Have a good evening, and we'll see you first thing in the morning.